Everyday activities like using electricity, transportation, and producing goods all generate greenhouse gases. The total amount we release is known as our carbon footprint, and it has direct ecological consequences. These emissions warm the atmosphere, disrupt climate patterns, and weaken ecosystems that normally help regulate carbon, such as forests, wetlands, and coastal areas. Reducing our carbon footprint can take many forms: improving energy efficiency, shifting to cleaner transport, reducing waste, and supporting sustainable consumption. But one approach directly connects climate action with ecosystem health: nature based solutions. According to the IUCN Global Standard, these are actions that protect, restore, or sustainably manage ecosystems to address challenges like climate change while also supporting biodiversity and human well being. This sets the stage for understanding how nature based solutions can meaningfully reduce carbon
We all
emissions.
know carbon emissions are harming our planet, but what if nature itself could help us fight back? Nature-based solutions, or NBS, are actions that protect, restore, manage ecosystem to solve real societal challenges while supporting biodiversity and human well-being. One major role of NBS is reducing carbon footprint through ecosystem restoration. The IUCN Global Standard defines 8 criteria for strong NBS. First, NBS must address real human challenges like climate change, disasters, or food security, while improving ecosystem health. Second, the design must consider the entire landscape or seascape, creating synergies and managing risks. Third, MBS must enhance biodiversity and ecosystem integrity, ensuring long-term natural carbon storage. Fourth, MBS must be economically viable. Fifth, governance must be inclusive and transparent. Sixth, projects must balance trade off fairly. Seventh, they must use adaptive management, adjusting based on evidence. And finally, MBS must be sustainable and supported by long-term policies. So the last point, together, these 8 criteria make MBS a strategic, ecological, and socially responsible way to cut carbon emissions and protect our planet.
If climate crisis is like a polluted and poisoned earth, technological solutions are like advanced purification machines, while NBS are the Earth's primal bioengineers to self-cleaning system. Reducing carbon emissions is not an option, but an urgent action we must take. NBS highlight carbon sequestration potential, given the opportunity to recover and grow. Restoring wetlands, mangroves, and seagrass creates natural carbon sinks, while protecting forests maintains the vital carbon cycle. Choosing nature offers the most stable and lasting path for carbon reduction, allowing humanity to collaborate with nature. The value of NBS lies in its ability to simultaneously reduce carbon footprint, strengthen ecological balance, and enhance environmental resilience to climate change. Every restoration and sustainable initiative reduces our planet's burden and increases its hope for a cooler future.